For today's launch event for the Peatlands for Prosperity project, we are at the Reagan's farm, Shinrone, which is in County Offaly in the heart of the Midlands. It is here that all the magic is happening and all of the tests and the training and the paludiculture trials are being brought to life.
We have two farms with the first on-farm paludiculture trials. Paludiculture is growing crops with a high water table. We want to have profitable farming that fixes all the environmental problems of dry peat. What we've done is we've shown everyone around the project site. We've had some excellent farm food and some really interesting presentations.
This is a very clever solution to help people that work the land gain economically from that. That is probably the underlying definition of what a just transition is.
We've done 3 years of this now. It was the best thing we ever did because it gave us an insight to a different side of what a bog is.
Our focus is on getting income to farmers, but then all the secondary benefits of higher levels of biodiversity in nature. And with this new kind of farming, you can fix all those things and get money. It's a win-win-win.
This is just really important to deal with. If we want to get anywhere near climate neutral, or we want to create a future, we need to learn how to use the resources that we have in a way that the next and the next and the next generation can also do it.
Obviously, projects can't run on enthusiasm and passion alone. It's been incredibly important to get the investment and resources from the EU Commission side, and also then for that to be matched by the Irish Exchequer has been great because it's meant that we have significant resources to put into really good, innovative projects that are genuinely impacting people on the ground in the Midlands.